Hey guys, it's me Azet, and today I'm at Toys R Us, and I'm going to check out the new Wooden Railway series Thomas Wood. So stay tuned for my review. Hey guys, I got a new train. Just kidding. Whoa. Hey guys, I'm back at home. And look what I have here. Dun dun dun. Thomas Wood. I'm scared to open this from his little guy's box prison, but I don't mind being scared. So I'm just gonna open it right now. Let's get this thing open. Wow, this is kind of hard to open, sorta. I just want you guys to take a close look at these lazy details. Let's compare Thomas Wood to the 2000. No, I'm not gonna say the year, but the birthday, my birthday Thomas, which I have, and you could see the differences here. This one is more detailed, and this one's not. I'm gonna tell some specific differences. The core, the back, their faces, their funnels, and their domes, and the sides, and the detailing, well, and underneath, and the couplings are the same, maybe. Well, not the same, definitely. Mattel should know better. Do I like Thomas Wood or not? No. Yes and no, but mostly no. Because of their lack of detailing, their domes, and the coach and the passenger coaches are cut up for the articulation human figures to fit inside. This makes it look like a knockoff, and I would say Thomas Wood is the worst range ever in the world. It would be nice if Mattel did more detailing and add domes on this. That would be nice. In conclusion, this was only $10.99, so I had to get my hands on it. And it wouldn't be complete without my collection. And guys, tell me in the comments, and I'm asking you if this is $10.99 was worth it or not. So write your answers in the comments below. Thanks for watching my rant. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for some more videos. Bye.